this opportunity, Nanjing University and its student mobility. Now, firstly, I would like to draw some words on the introduction to Nanjing University. The history of Nanjing University can be dated back to 1902, and it was well known as the name of National Central University. Now, we have three beautiful campuses: Gulou campus, Xianlin campus, and Bukou campus. And Gulou campus is our main campus, which is located in the city center, and Xianlin campus is our international campus. Presently, it is comprised of 25 schools with 73 departments. As a top university in China and Nanjing University boasts advanced teaching and research facilities, as well known as the leading position. Now, this some facts of our student body is totals nearly 30,000. And I would like to share some figures with you about the extremely competition admission. The total number of examinees of annual National College Entrance Exam is over 5 million, and 21% can be admitted to the higher education, and Nanjing University only admits the only top 0.5 to 0.8% of the examinees. So it's quite competitive. As mentioned previously, there are 2,670 international students on our campus, and Nanjing University is active in internationalization. Here are some partners named the Johns Hopkins University, the University of Tokyo, the University of Richmond, the University of Osaka, and University and so on. And today, the most of the audience sitting in this conference hall are our dear partners. And taking this opportunity, I would like to thank you all for your patient work and constant support. Thank you. Here are some facts. The international partner institution is over 300, and the international students is over 2,670, and the joint centers and research projects is over 200. Nanjing University never ceased its efforts to make the possible modes of cooperation with our partner universities. Here are some results in the findings of the well-known joint centers such as the Johns Hopkins University, Nanjing University Center for Chinese and American Studies, and the Sino-German Institute of Law Studies, and the Sino-Japanese Center for Cultural Studies. That's the profile of Nanjing University. Now I would like to introduce the outbound student mobility at our university. Nanjing University encourages our students to study abroad to gain the international education background. And in 2010, more than 600 students participated in the outbound long-term, non-degree thinking undergraduate student exchange programs. Here are some pictures showing our students' programs. On the top left is UCLA CSST summer program, the same as the Professor Yuan from Zhejiang University mentioned in his presentation. And the top middle is Tokyo University exchange program in Japan, and the ESIS program in France, and the Sydney University program in Australia, and the AERU program in Caltech, and the Kyoto University exchange program in Japan. And Nanjing University draws much importance on our internationalization of the students and some strategy of internationalization. We have established the Education Abroad Program Office to promote our student mobility work. It is also our administrative structure of working within the student mobility and to expand the enrollment of international students. And our target is 20% of the total student number, is about 6,000, but that's our target. To establish a special fund to finance international exchange students with high-level universities throughout the world, and to increase English tutor courses through various measures to establish special funds to sponsor our students for international exchange activities. And since 1955, Nanjing University has hosted more than 15,000 international students from over 70 countries. And Nanjing University is also the first group of Chinese universities to start enrolling the international students. Here is a picture showing one of our international students named Hui Xiaonan performance in the Beijing Opera we studied in Nanjing University in 1979. So the international students are integral part of Nanjing University student body. Here are some figures. They are 2,670 students in total about our international students and divided into 2 levels. Among them, there are 69 PhD students and 1,530 exchange students and training students. On 6 to 12 July of 2010, Nanjing University held its European Week at our partner university, Cambridge University, Southampton University, and Göttingen University in the UK and Germany. And the European Nanjing University Week draws significant importance on the internationalization of Nanjing University, and it is also an important part of the international student recruitment. The Institute for International Students is a teaching and the administrating entity for international students. Here are some descriptions of the institute. And besides its teaching function, it also organizes the cross-cultural interaction and trips around China. Here are some pictures I would like to share with all of you. Now, let's look into the last part of my presentation. With more and more overseas students choosing Nanjing University as its education destination, we are encountering more and more challenges and problems. One of the great challenges is to construct our English taught courses and other language taught courses. Consequently, we are now conducting a curriculum reform to redesign our international English taught courses. To give an example of our measures, encourage each school or department to offer English taught courses. Our target is to provide 100 to 200 international courses in 2 to 3 years. To establish a fund especially for the young scholars and faculty members who are equipped with an international education background to offer English taught courses. And our suggestion is the construction of English taught courses are linked with the teaching staff's performance evaluation, but I'm not sure whether it can be conducted or not. And taking this opportunity, I would like to extend the warm welcome to all of you to visit us at Nanjing University. And my presentation is approaching the end. And thank you for listening. Thank you.